Welcome to our exciting guide on how to invest in real estate for beginners. Before you dive in, let's assess your financial readiness. Calculating your net worth and setting clear investment goals are empowering first steps to becoming a successful real estate investor. To calculate your net worth, subtract your liabilities, like debts and loans, from your assets such as savings, investments, and property. Knowing your net worth provides a clear picture of your financial standing and opens doors to exciting opportunities. Next, define your investment goals using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives help you stay focused and motivated. Dream big and watch your aspirations come to life. For instance, let's take John as an example. When John started, he calculated his net worth and set a clear goal of achieving a remarkable tenant return on investment within the next 3 years. His optimism fueled his determination to succeed. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the knowledge and optimism to set sail on your real estate investment journey. Join us at Proper Typelcefs and unlock the secrets to success in the ever-thrilling world of real estate. Hit that subscribe button now and dive into a world of financial readiness, market research, financing options, due diligence, and investment management. Together, we'll open doors to endless possibilities and sail towards a prosperous future.